So Wayne J, Chooch, Richard, Alvi. What's up, my brothers? I got the goggles today, bro. Today, we are fucking locked in, bro. Yes, sir. Boys, today, we are freaking locked in. We're gonna absolutely lock in on the candlesticks, on our rules. We're not breaking no rules today. I'm in a good mood, man. I'm in a good mood. Anyways. Yesterday, please give a bit of time. Yesterday, we actually broke a rule. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention in the Discord. It was by accident, of course. I didn't realize at the time. But that first trade we take, I had a very clean rule break. Like, no, like, I kind of didn't break. No, like, I just cleanly broke a rule. And we did lose that trade. So, I guess part of me kind of makes me happy, I would say, I guess, because I know it wasn't the model. Not that I would never trust my model, but two losses today, 5 wins. I'm not going to trade for 5 wins, but 5R? 5R would be nice. 5R would be nice. The glasses are to see the good trades. Oh, you can only see the good trades with the goggles. I don't know. I'll have to give it some time. On a side note, part of me is thinking about buying some stocks right now because that CPI was damn, you know? Like damn, super damn crazy CPI. Could it possibly be the low of the week, Monday? Guys, please don't make me lose again today. Don't. Just leave the stream right now, bro. Just leave the stream now. Nas is gonna tank. I don't know, man. That's a pretty bullish CPI candle. Are you gonna actually trade with CPI? Yeah, why not? Future's too bright. You need some shades. That's funny. What's up, everybody? 4-hour SMT, but looks like it's gonna disrespect the daily CB. It really does look like it's gonna disrespect the daily CB. We've already traded so high above it. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking NVIDIA and I'm thinking AMD as well. I'm looking at NASDAQ, but quickly I'm gonna scan AMD and NVIDIA. Is AMD really gonna flip though? No shot, bro. I don't think AMD NVIDIA's gonna flip, but look how bearish that is. I think AMD's good, bro, because the monthly. But like, is it really gonna flip? Am I really bullish on NASDAQ to take a long on AMD and NVIDIA? I'm in sell. Should I hold if you want? If it follows your models. In terms of objectives, we have Friday's high. We have this new week opening gap. That's this old new day opening gap. Can't say GM. What's your preview on GM? Yo, Les, we buying today, bro? Today the day? Is this monthly candle gonna flip bullish? 23.62. Going up $2. I don't know. Today might be the day. What's good, Insta? What's up, MXM? I think today's the day, guys. I'll scale into my position, but I'll buy some. I'll buy like 10 shares of each. NVIDIA and AMD. It's Oracle sign. I don't like the red earnings. NVIDIA's earnings are all green the last 4. Yeah, I think I'll buy like 10 shares. NVIDIA, 10 shares, AMD, I think that's all I'm interested in. I think that's all I'm interested in. Maybe I'll do 15 and 5 or something. I feel like AMD has a lot of upside potential. Yeah, it's gonna be a gap. There's gonna be a gap at the open, so I'm probably gonna get it right off. AMD, nah, bro. I really think AMD has the potential, bro. It's so deep in discount, like it's not gonna go to the 50s. It's probably never gonna touch under 100. I feel like it is very bearish, though. It is very bearish. Anyways, let's focus on Nasdaq right now. I'm not gonna rush into any stock positions. Let's focus on Nasdaq. As someone said, my bullish or bearish on Nasdaq. Honestly, bro, no clue. We're gonna have to wait. I feel like AMD, bro, especially with like, yo, when's the last time you got four? I like AMD. Yeah, I think I like it. Meta's too expensive. Like, it's too deep in premium. I don't want to buy this. It's too deep in premium for me. Anyway, let's focus on Nasdaq. Um, that CPI was really bullish. I'd probably look for longs, targeting that green line, which is Friday's high, and maybe targeting this daily bearish fair value gap. So Wednesday's high from last week. I'd probably look for, yeah, some sort of continuation longs. I don't know. Unless we see some really aggressive displacement down, I'm not gonna anticipate a reversal. AMD goodbye? Okay, bro. And I don't think we take London lows. So we wait for a retracement and we try to get a continuation. Hopefully the retracement is somewhat deep enough so we can enter a discount, but it may not be. Bias, I'm gonna look for long squall. I don't think we're gonna undo this. I don't think we're gonna undo that move. Today was CPI. Yeah, like ideally, I don't want to see a price come into here. Make sure you include the volume imbalance if you want to mark out the BISI correctly. You know, the thing is, if we come all the way here, that's a crazy wick. That's a wick of 240 points. So we're going to have to really be picky with our setup here. Make sure we have a very clear objective. Although we already engineered these equal highs, which is nice. So I do like that. Let's mark this out as previous week, Friday high, right? And then mark this out as previous week, Wednesday high. All right, your old previous daily highs and lows, potential upside objectives, in my opinion. We'll have to see. If it really just comes down here, it could be a reversal. Do you care about the dollar renew? Nah. 200 trades? Yeah, that's definitely a lot, in my opinion. We never take these London lows. I don't think we'll take these London lows, but that's just like more of an opinion. I think we can potentially continue higher now just because. Yep, I've seen the daily. In my opinion, I'm just going to take that displacement for what it is. I think these markets are going to pump, period. I'm looking at odd JPY longs with this inversion, this daily inversion. Yeah, yes, a little more bullish than NASDAQ. What's up, Zach? EuroCAD. I don't really see much here. See these equal lows, see these equal highs. Daily chart. Looks like we can maybe go lower from here. Not the cleanest for me. You don't use OB? No, I use OB sometimes. Happy trading. Appreciate you guys. Let's log into the top step counts. So today, we're going to follow the rules very explicitly and clear. And that's all we're going to do. We do have SMT there, but yeah, I just think ES will reach higher. It's pretty rare that you flip a CPI candle. I mean, no, it's not rare, but when it looks like this, you know, like we closed at 20975. The opening range gap can be like almost 200 points, probably more. That's one of my levels max. No, yeah, I broke a rule yesterday. I did break a rule yesterday. I didn't realize until I was reviewing my trades and journaling. But I broke a rule yesterday. My first trade I took, it was a rule break. I should not have taken that trade. I posted about it in my Discord, so people knew. What's the rule you broke? I broke the fourth rule in my. So I was trading my retracement model, my protraction model, where price retraces, and then I look for a re-entry. I'll show you the rule that I broke. So I posted about it yesterday so you guys could know. So I was reviewing and journaling my trades, and notice I actually broke a rule in the first trade I took. So my protraction model, retracement into liquidity or imbalance, okay, which was good, but we didn't form a fair value gap or inversion fair value gap after the retracement. I just shorted the retracement into the fair value. So we entered this fair value gap and I just shorted it. But I'm supposed to wait for something after the retracement. So thumbs up for that. Very important. I didn't even realize. I just completely forgot. Yeah, I'll be trading today, guys. I'll be trading. I have no problem trading CPI. You don't have to trade CPI. I'm gonna trade CPI. You don't have to. Did you make yourself stand in the corner? No. It's not that serious. It's an accident, bro. Like, I'm not gonna punish myself. That's funny though. Longs is too risky. I think shorts are too risky. We'll just wait and see. Trying the daily Sibby, there's nothing else left. There's Friday's high, and then there's the daily Sibby, which ES is already touched, but like I said, I think both will just go higher. Hi from Amsterdam. What's up, brother? Yo, guys, so today at 12, I'm gonna release a video. Shout out to my editor, because I think he actually made me a pretty good thumbnail. Should I show you guys? Should I show you guys on live stream? If you guys know me, I don't spend any time editing or making thumbnails. Like, one, I'm not good at it. Two, I'm just here to deliver some information that people ask. I don't really care about that stuff. But I have someone who's gonna edit for me now. I'll show you guys the thumbnail. I think it's pretty cool. It's not really me, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, I saw TGR's one of one thing. This is the thumbnail. I don't know. I think it's pretty. If you guys look at my other thumbnails, they're pretty freaking bad. Like, they're so boring. Some of them are the exact same. Like, I really don't spend any time in that. 'Cause I don't know. In my mind, I was like, if people want to watch the video, they're gonna watch the video. It doesn't matter the thumbnail, you know. But I guess, like, you know, it just looks a little bit better. So it's a lot better than my other ones for sure. I know. It's kind of weird. But if you guys look at my other thumbnails, and I didn't make this, by the way. It was someone I know, but like, oh yeah. But like, look at my other thumbnails. They're so bad. Like come on, bro. This is awful, man. Like, Like these thumbnails, yeah, man, it's not too bad. Like these ones were pretty cool, but like they don't stand out. Like you have to like literally read in it. Like you have to like sit there and read it. So I don't know. My thumbnails are not that good. You send me a pic. You want to just take one? What's Gem? Gem is my model. What happened with TGR 1 of 1? I think they rug pulled. All right, 9:30 open, guys. Look at your opening range gap. It's fucking massive. 260 points. Do I expect it to be filled? No. You prefer my old ones? Is you not clickbaiting? Made $10,000 million on my demo account. Bro, my girl's a graphic designer. Oh shit. That's cool. But I don't know. I think the journey with Koala, can be good. You know? I think, I'd rather struggle with Koala and just build it up. But that's sick, bro. Graphic designer, that's such a cool, Are you waiting for a macro? I'm waiting for this big green box to be touched. Yeah. Whenever that happens. Yep, those gaps are every single day. It's not always going to be this big, right? It's not always going to be this big, but um, this today is really big. Oh shoot, are we going to go down at open? What the gaps? It's just just like a fair value gap. Like I want to put an alert. Okay, we are going to go into this gap a little bit. $1. AMD straight up from the rip. I was backtesting. Hold on, let me show you guys something. Doesn't this look the exact same almost? Let's look at this. And look at this. I swear it looks it. Bro, it looks the exact same. It really looks the exact same, huh? But I don't know. We'll see. Nvidia is going into a discount a little bit. Don't long here, bro. I know what you're thinking. I want you to follow my rules, bro. I want to see this green box get touched. Yeah, in fact, you can get a double purge sell here, maybe, but yeah, I mean, I would do that if we get the CISD lower. I'll take 2 trades today. Let me make sure my top 7 accounts are ready. Okay. Yeah, I would take two trades. Interesting. No volume imbalance on. Are you waiting for macro? No, no. I'm just waiting for price to retrace lower. I don't want to long it from up here. This is an NFP candle. It's pretty common that we'll retrace into this. We don't have to, but it's too high up for me. No, I didn't buy. I'm gonna wait for it to go a little lower. Let me sign in though. I think I'll buy here. I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy a full position though. I think I'll scale in. I'm not gonna enter as soon as we touch the green box. I'm gonna wait for something like this. Then I'll enter. I might even short it to the green box as a classic model. If we get the CISD, maybe. We'll see. What's leverage ETS? I don't know about that. I think we'll just go small position, NVIDIA and AMD. I'll do like five contracts. It's time to start scaling in. We can always buy it if we can always average down. I might short this. I might short this to the green box. Classic model. This would be 2 micros. If we get the CISD, if we get the CISD, what's the green box? It's just the imbalance created by NFP on the 1 minute. Cool. Yep, if we get that closure, I'll take this. We can put the stop here at the breaker. No, I'll keep the stop up there. So as a classic model short, we might not even get a fill on this. It would be enough, but I want to see it on both. It didn't form on ES anyways. Yeah, looks like we might not. We're not gonna fill on this anyways. Nice, bro. What's CPI? CPI is a news event. We had CPI today? Yeah, bro, we did. No retrace. I'll adjust it for this fair value gap, but I'm gonna break even the trade as soon as we touch this green box. Like, I'm aiming for 2R, but as soon as we touch that green box, no, I don't need a macro in my not in all my models, only in very specific models. Yeah, I'll leave this. I'll trust it. I'll trust this classic model if it fails us. This is definitely no rule break. Sell side, buy side. Um, Sell side, buy side, and yeah, we look for the objective lower. Classic model. I don't want to see a wick right now. If we lose this, it'll be our third loss in a row. So we got to make sure that doesn't get to us. Why'd you take this trade? I think we're going to go to this green box before taking out the highs. But, I mean, we'll see. Looks like we might be wrong. Looks like we may be wrong. We never even touched the volume imbalance. Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, I still think we're going to come here, but yeah, looks like maybe not in our trade. Yeah, TradingView is working fine for me. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, what am I looking at, bro? I'm happy with this trade, guys. I'm happy with this trade. We're probably gonna get stopped out here. But to be honest, I've seen it trade into this candle so many times. Wait, did I risk incorrectly? We got stopped out there. So let's keep the executions up. We'll see. We'll see if we come to this green box. I wouldn't take another short here, but if we do come back, I will look for a long. So I'll just wait for that original idea. Yeah, I went short. How do you enter off a 4 hour inversion? Depends on the model. I'm gonna show you something for the person who said, actually, you know what? Nothing improves you. You read this? This is the model I traded. Why did I trade this model? Because I've seen it over 1,000 times. Accumulation, clear drawn liquidity, clear purge into buy side, or imbalance opposing to drawn liquidity, displacement back into the range. Very simple. Slide that playbook. I will make a video. No, I know. I'm just talking to the haters. But I'm just gonna focus on YouTube chat. I gotta fill it out till we set the 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, realistically, we don't have to go lower. It's pretty rare that we don't trade into the CPI range. And man, if we don't trade the CPI range, it is what it is. I'm still bullish towards this buy side. I wanted to see it come lower. Even ES didn't. So that's like pretty rare. That's pretty rare. That's pretty rare. We even had the breaker. That was a good trade. I would do it again. Yeah, we took one loss. Green box. Green box is the imbalance created by CPI. It's the CPI's imbalance. This is a big, fat, juicy buy side imbalance. 130-point imbalance. I thought we would trade into it before going higher, but it looks like I was wrong about that. And we're simply going higher. I mean, yeah, we did touch inefficiency below, but I really preferred the 830 candle specifically. It's okay. Explain CPI. CPI is the news event. The reason you have a really big candle here is because CPI was released at 830. Ready for the macro? The thing is, I'm bullish, so I wanted to long from here. Took my classic model short, and then I would have looked for a long from there. I'm happy with that trade. Yeah, I mean, it tapped the 4 hour hasn't inversed yet. So I don't know. That's one. Is it possible for Seek and Destroy? Yeah, it is possible. It's really rare that we don't touch this. But you know what? I guess, yeah, in hindsight, when order flow is so bullish like that, it's always risky. But I mean, come on, we came a couple points. 2-5. Yeah, it's okay. Let's just see what happens. I'm still bullish though. Still bullish. These are my higher time frame objectives higher. So we'll see. This could be the low of the session right here. If we take out this buy side, this could be the low. It very much well could be. possible. And we just leave this open for another day. You got stopped out going short? That's okay, bro. Me too. Yo, I need some more Discord mods. I mean, I need some more TikTok mods. First presentation? This is first presentation right here. How you feel about that? I thought those lows were really good too, to be honest, because they're so like relatively equal. Yeah, Mubashir, I trust you, bro. I got you, Mubashir. Um, you have to get at least you're getting harassed on TikTok. It's just the regular haters, you know, the regulars. Yo, Mubashir, anyone's like being spamming chat or hating like a bunch. If they're hating a little bit, it's okay, you know, like if they want to just share their opinion. Opinions are okay, but if they're just like straight out hating, just get them out of here, you know? No time for that. Yo, why is my time data delayed on trading? You do have to buy premium. You do have to get like the essential package, and then you have to get real time data. What's your bias today? I'm bullish. I'm bullish. These are my higher time frame objectives. I think it's possible we reach them. I did take a short counter trend idea, thinking we would get into here. I guess a little bit risky, but I've seen it enough times where we trade into this price range. So I was comfortable taking a short on my classic model. I didn't break any rules, so I would take that short again. I'm not going to complain about it. But I am bullish, and I'm viewing this new information. Now we have the breaker. This possibly could be the low, so I'll probably wait for maybe a retracement to the 5-minute fair value gap that's forming, and look for a long idea. This is your change of the state of delivery here. So yeah, we might not go lower than this, you know. Took these longs hoping to take the equal highs. Yeah, there's equal highs for sure. I was hoping they got left open before I get filled, but we can see. This could be the low of the session right here. This could be the low of the session. Are you funded? I am funded right now. Who heard of Wise Monkey and who will invest in it? I don't know anything about that. Yeah, we're gonna get S&P there, but I'm still bullish. Bullish on the higher time frame. Yeah, you definitely could have longed it. Like you could have longed this. You really could have. I guess in hindsight, I could have just waited for the long. I'm really surprised we didn't trade into this, but I mean, that's what you get. I mean, it's really bullish order flow, so it's okay. So if I'm gonna trade this, I have to wait for a protraction model. So very specific, what I need to wait for is a retracement into either imbalance or liquidity, and then from there, a fair value gap or inversion fair value gap. So we're gonna have to wait for that. I'm thinking this 5-minute looks pretty good. We're forming a nice 10-minute. I don't want us to take out this level just yet. I would prefer we start to retrace now. Yeah, I mean, we already went to the 15. I thought we'd go a little lower, but we don't have to. You know, in hindsight, I mean, it was a good short. I'm not going to justify it. I've seen it trade into this imbalance so often. So, what is it you are trading? This is NASDAQ futures, brother. Appreciate it. Got you, brother. I definitely think we can reach these objectives. Now, row check left. We're tapping into the bearish on the 15. Oh, this? I mean, I'm still bullish, to be honest, though. I'm still bullish. I really do think we can get above these objectives. Which stock is this? This is NASDAQ futures. If it doesn't, hopefully it can come back for us. Good shit, Joker. Yeah, very nice. This was textbook. Getting in on this trade, me personally getting in would have been like would have had to have been like here, I guess. So I wouldn't have TP'd yet. I would have been like I would have been looking, but I wanted to give it a little bit of time before that loss. Can you look at Discord? I'm actually in long. Did you enter off the limit order? I'm in this shit. I think this shit goes, bro. I think this shit goes. We might get a retracement here, but in my opinion, it still goes higher. You took shorts and still holding. Good luck, bro. I mean, that's a good entry, Qualo. Where's your stop? Where was your original stop? Breaker? If your stop was at the breaker low, it's a good trade. What are you aiming for? No, I'm not in a long, guys. Not in a long. I'm gonna have to wait for it to come back for us. Initial stop was breaker low. You're aiming for 372. Oh, previous week's Friday's high. Nah, that's a good objective. Yeah, low hanging fruit in my opinion. I mean, this is low hanging fruit, right? Yeah, this is a very good classic. This is PO3 reversal model. It's very classic. Very classic. I don't think we take this low. I'll look for a continuation idea. We're inside the macro, so we're just gonna wait for the model, man. We're gonna wait for the model. No need to sweat it. Sweat it. Simply gonna wait for the model. We're gonna look for retracement into imbalance or liquidity. We have an imbalance here, liquidity here, imbalance there. We have an imbalance on the 5, imbalance on the 3. So, and then we'll wait. We'll have to make sure we wait for that 4th step, right? That 4th step in the model, which is I have to wait for an inversion after or something. I think the 4-minute has a nice fair value gap. Yeah, I could tell. But we'll just wait for that. See if it happens. M5 gap is a bag. This might stay open. Are you gonna trade? No. I'm looking for longs. I'm bullish, guys. I'm bullish. I've been bullish. I did take one short. I wanted to see price trade into this green box, but I don't think it's gonna reach there. I've seen it reach there a couple times, but I'm not gonna let that short affect. As long as we follow the rules, I didn't break any rules, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Let me quickly take a look at JPY. AMD's going. Nvidia is sideways. I mean, we bought some AMD, so we'll see if that can go. Only about 5 though. Short on the inversion? Nah. Didn't even touch. Exactly, Toffee. When it's that many points gap over 120, don't even look for it. Don't even look for it. Can we get a sneak peek of your playbook? I'm gonna tell you something, Hyperion. All those models are all on YouTube. I'm not hiding anything. If you want my models, they're there. Okay. So we just entered an inefficiency. So that is step 3. I have a clear drawn liquidity. We're inside the macro. And we entered inefficiency. So I need to see an inversion or a bullish fair value gap for me to go long. Yesterday, I made the mistake of just clicking buy from where we are right now. But this time, exactly, I need a new fair value gap or inversion. That's my protraction model. Watch the gem series, they're great. Yeah, in my opinion, it's pretty good, even if you want to trade like me. So if it just goes up here, I missed it, you know? That's my criteria. You guys don't need to have the same criteria as me. That's just my criteria. Why do I have that criteria? To avoid losses like yesterday. Because I know I'm going to get really good wins, right? I know I'm going to get really good wins. It's more about avoiding the bad trades. I'm in. Good luck, bro. Yeah, you can use the 15-second, but I'm not going to go there. Like, there is a 15-second inversion about to happen right now. Well, it didn't happen, actually. I'm watching the 15-second chart on my second monitor. Yeah, we didn't get the 15-second inversion anyways. 30-second. Nah, we didn't get the inversion. My criteria is coming back to 50% of a range on 1 minute. Yeah, fire, bro. Good. Did you publish the playbook? It's on my YouTube, brother. My YouTube channels. See, it's a good thing we didn't take that long. I probably would have been stopped out. I'm not gonna lie. But we just wait. Yeah, simply just wait. I think we formed a 5-minute. No, the 5 minutes lower. So I'm waiting for an inversion or a fair value gap bullish one now. And yeah. Obviously you can have like you can make so many models, man. Like you can say, oh, I want to look for OTE. You can say, oh, 50%. You can look for a turtle soup, man. You can wait for an SMT on the retracement, whatever it is, man. There's so many models. Okay, so my eyes are gonna jump to this 5-minute fair value gap. 5 minutes not that clean, to be honest, but we'll keep it open on the 5. So I like this candle. Answer my question, please. What's your question, brother? I trade models that are on MU mousepad. My mousepad? Those models probably are not doing too well. Does Force the same 9:30 market open macros? Yes, exactly. No. 9:30 open. Everything the same. It's still New York Stock Exchange open. The volatility is coming in. I need to reach below equilibrium or else no trade. Valid, yeah. As long as you guys know your criteria, that's all I try to preach. It doesn't have to be my criteria, but I do think everyone should have criteria. ES tapped into the 5-minute fair value gap. If I get an inversion there, that would be a valid trade for me. The 30 seconds. If the 30-second, man, why does this candle have no low? Ideally, I wait for it on the 1 minute. Is it easier to trade gold? There's no easier, in my opinion. It's just is what it is. I could technically long this. It's a 30-second inversion. Like let's just say, hypothetically speaking. Well, we didn't actually inverse the 30 seconds, so I am looking for a buy. The CISD on the 1 minute would be right here. Equal loads, it's SMT. What is it, Bishy? Bishy's a buy side imbalance. ES hit the 5-minute gap, touch the volume imbalance. You have to include the volume imbalance in the gap. It's SMT. So I'm watching the 30-second chart here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is a 30-second chart. So, oops. We put in this SMT. Whoops. We got the inversion on the 30-second. So I'm a little bit skeptical, but we'll wait maybe for 10 a.m. It'll be a little clearer. Or if maybe we can form a bullish fair value gap. I don't like that this candle has a flat body. That's my main issue. But 1-minute flat body is not that serious. This is clear shorts. Then short it, bro. In my opinion, this goes higher. Well, it could still make another leg lower, but in my opinion, eventually it'll go higher. It's possible to get another leg lower, but we don't need to. I like to wait for the 1 minute. We inverse both 30-second fair value gaps. Let's see if we get the 30-second CISD. I don't usually go to the 30-second for this entry model. So I'll probably just wait. How long are you trading for? Or are you profitable? Not every month, only some months. Easiest way to passive fund it? Find a profitable model and trade it. Actually, it's probably not the easiest way. Easiest way is probably just to get lucky. Full porting, but I wouldn't recommend that long term. I do this full time. I do this every day, but I don't make enough money. Like it's not my full time income. Still trying to get there. Yeah, 10 a.m. power 3 might make it a little bit clearer because of the 15. It's gonna stay open though, man. In my opinion, this is. If I was bullish, I would want to see that stay open. I don't think it would go back there. So we could have entered here on the 30-second, but I just used the cheapest one, TradeX. I just used the cheapest one. The criteria is met there. ES even formed a bullish fair value gap, so our criteria for long was there. But I would have had to buy the 30-second inversion. Would I already be at 2R, hypothetically speaking? The inversion. No, it wouldn't be 2R yet. I need an FAQ? For real, bro. They're asking because most of them just want to know if they should copy trade or not. That is why. So I have to make sure I'm honest with everyone. You know, I don't want to lie to anybody. Look at the CE there being touched perfectly. Shorts? I don't know. In my opinion, this objective gets hit. Yeah, this is gone. 30-second, the model there on the 32nd, and that's about it. That is about it. If we get a bullish fair value gap here, we can buy into it going down maybe, but what if it takes out Friday's high? We'll see how it forms. I'll still take this bullish fair value gap. I still think we can go higher. Yeah, I still think we can go higher. 10 a.m. candle has no low. If we take out Friday's high, yeah, it's not the best trade. It's not the best trade. We missed it. This was our protraction model. You had to take it on the 32nd though, which I don't like, but it was there. It was there for sure. I guess in hindsight here, you could have entered on the reclaim fair value gap there, but didn't sweep any liquidity. SMT right here, we did sweep liquidity. Well, I guess there's no swing low there on ES. Well, we entered a 5-minute bullish fair value gap though. I didn't find an entry either. I called it going up, but I also did not find an entry. I'm in longs from that bullish breaker. Do you recommend break even? I would for sure be break even. If I was in longs from this breaker, I would have closed the position here. That's just me personally. That makes me feel a little bit better. Listen, as long as you followed your rules, you did good. Don't worry about anything else, bro. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I mean, there's a breaker there, but I mean, I don't like that we didn't come below 10 a.m. So I'm a little bit iffy to take a long here. I think we keep going higher. This low is probably not going to get taken within the next 2 hours. So either we go sideways or come to equilibrium or continue expanding. In my opinion, continue expanding is the most likely. I hope so. I'm in those NVIDIA AMD longs. But that's the idea. You wish you got an entry? Why, bro? Fine. Take the next one, you know? Don't be sad if you miss your fill. Don't chase it. Missing a fill is a lot better than forcing a fill and losing. So don't do that. Like that's why I'm not gonna take this. I feel like it's a little bit like, it would technically meet my criteria because we retraced and then formed a bullish fair value gap. But I need to have a clear drawn liquidity. That was my clear drawn liquidity. This is a little bit of an more extreme objective. Previous week, Wednesday's high. Do I think we're gonna get there? Yeah, I do. But 4-hour city? Yeah, that's a good objective too. Like just a little bit higher there. Like I would, yeah, I'm not gonna take it, and I'm gonna tell you why. It's not gonna be the highest probability setup that may form, especially if we already took out the main objective. For me, I'd rather wait 10 minutes. It's not clean, but like I'm thinking maybe 10:30 can get us a move like this. So I think I'll just wait a bit. Let's see. We'll tape read this though. I'll tape read this. We will tape read that. Open up. Gold shorts. What are gems? Gems is my model. Would you take shorts? No. Or didn't get filled on a 3-minute breaker? That's okay. Yeah, let me be the main character. What? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. I'm thinking shorts. Hey man, if you're bearish, don't let anyone convince you otherwise, bro. If that's what you see, be better than everyone, you know? What's model? Model is your edge in the market. The thing that repeats every day. The thing that repeats every day that you can look for. Yeah, simple, bro. I'm on a crazy win streak. Nice, bro. I'm blowing this up. Blowing what up? I never like to take longs this high. Yeah, that's why I'm not taking this. I'm simply tape reading this. So I'm just watching to see what happens. I wouldn't take this trade because we already took out one of my objectives, which was previous week's Friday high. I didn't make any money today, bro. I'm gonna short. Good luck, bro. When there is greed, there is entry. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't like this. It's too far for me, so I wouldn't take this. I would not take this. But I will watch it because it meets my model criteria. So I want to see what happens. Bullish means you think it's going to go up. Bearish means you think it's going to go down. Last one year haven't started yet. I took one loss today. What does the term? Okay, who knows? Okay. Yeah. Like move share. Did you see this guy saying weird shit, bro? Get him out of here, bro. You know, like everyone, bro. Yeah. I wonder if we can go to the 1 hour city. Maybe. I would expect this as a objective primarily, but how do I kick people? I think you have to right click their name. Mods ban everybody. Go crazy. That's funny as fuck. What was the loss? I took a short here. I thought we would. I did know this was going to be a manipulation leg, but I thought we would trade into this imbalance before reversing. Why? I've probably backtested like 100 CPIs. I'd say most of the time we trade into this imbalance, but we didn't this time, and we traded to the 15-minute BISI. So in hindsight, it's not the highest probability trade because we don't need to. It's just more of a probability thing. People who took shorts are probably panicking. I think we spoke too soon. Oh, it's because I'm on phone. I think you can still look. How's January going for you? So far, we have 3 losses. So 5R. 5R? No, 3R. 10 a.m. has no low, so I'm bearish. It has a low. It's small. It's there. But yeah, I would prefer to see, I don't know, some sort of move lower before longing again. If it dips, I'm going to invest 30 billion. Why? We took one trade today with a loss. Win streak this month going crazy, plus 3K. Nice, bro. Proud of you, bro. Keep it up. I might think our is down to 21036 and grab the liquidity. It's on the 6185 level. Yeah, this one right here, yeah, 21036. That's really low. I don't know about that one. If it hits our final objective here, guys, we might have to call it. January has been not too bad, yeah. If it hits this final objective, oh, appreciate you. Appreciate you being respectful. Re-entry off the 3-minute BISI, the one that's forming. I would expect this to go. I mean, that's a final objective. Yeah, someone noted the 4-hour CB in here. We don't have to get there, but it does align with -2 standard deviations pretty perfectly. So we'll see. We'll mark it out just to see. Doesn't hurt. You also got this retracement leg. You see how all the standard deviations are aligning. It's pretty cool. You're up 230. Nice, bro. Been learning how to trade for 3 months. Where can I find a strategy? You should probably make your own or find someone to mentor you. That's my opinion. You can just use ICT on YouTube if you don't want to pay for any money. Been learning how to, yeah. Yeah, still looking for longs, but the timing is just not right anymore. For me to look for a protraction wrong, I would have to wait for 10:30. I'd have to wait for 10:30. Are you up today? No. You took any trades? You took one loss today, 1 hour. A little bit less than 1 hour actually, because we only lost 150. So that's good, I guess. Are you just smart? Who's been doing this for a long time? I've been doing this for, like, I've been learning ICT for about 13 months. How do you keep yourself from over trading? I used to be an over trader, bro, and I hit rock bottom, and I got very frustrated with myself, and I got better. I hope everyone can find their way without hitting rock bottom, but you're right, Elliot. But there was no, like, that was the other risk factor was just more, you know. It was more like the original risk was 190 and I reduced it, so it's okay in this case. Do you get what I'm saying? It was originally 200, but then the risk was reduced to 150. Like it was as close as 200 I get, so it was good. I appreciate you looking out because you're right. That's very very important. But no, the 2R would have been 2R would have been a 400. So 2R. But you're right. That's a good eye. That's very important, especially for me. 1 minute SMT. There's SMT at the highs, yeah. Because I blew my funded 2 days ago. Over trading will, yeah, man. Over trading is gonna kill you, man. You gotta set very strict rules for yourself. You gotta set very strict rules for yourself. On your chart, it took that low. You on the micro? NQ 100. Are you on NAS 100 or NASDAQ? Paula, did you TB? NAS 100 took it. Yeah, it's probably NAS 100. What is it? Macro? Macro is a time period. I would just take a 1 trade a day. Then once you can trust yourself, trade more. That's a good idea. I bet that's basically what I did. I told myself 2 trades max. I told myself 2 trades max, and to be honest, it just stuck with me. I kind of like the idea of 2 trades max. We took 1 trade today, minus 0.75R. Bearish FEG 4 hour starts 21284. Possible trades down from there. 21284. Not sure what you're referring to. You got to stop that break even, enter off that fib retracement. That's okay, bro. How to find setup. I'm waiting for 10:30 personally, because my model tells me if this happens, I need to wait for 10:30. So I'm waiting personally. A very good trade, Koala. Very good trade. Typical, Koala. Remember this for CPI. It's very typical price action for CPI. What do you expect? 10:30. It's not what I expect. It's what I want to see. If I'm gonna look for a long, I'd want to see something like this. Why didn't you take it? What held you back? Honestly, I was just recovering from that loss, so that's all. And then by the time I saw it, it was too late. I want 10:30 to do something like this. Do I think it's gonna happen? I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and find out. Wait and find out. You think we're gonna retrace to the 4 hour inversion FG? That's also 15 minute low down there. It's possible. I wouldn't try to predict the retracement though. I'm not in the business of predicting a retracement. But if we do retrace there, I would look for longs. I don't think this is going to be your high of the session right there. So, yeah, 8 is a really good trade, Koala. I'm happy that you saw it. 100%. The breaker, clean. Yeah, today was really clean, yeah. Have we taken anything? We did take one loss today, yeah. Minus 0.75R. TP1, hey boys, nice. Nice, bro. Okay, let's remove these markings. Let's wait for 15 minutes till 10:30. I'm looking here at the 15-minute BISI. That would be probably the most ideal place to take a long from. But I think it's going to happen. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see. It's not up to us. It also could go sideways, yeah. That's why I'm going to wait very specifically for 10:30. How do you place multiple take profits in one trade? Just set multiple limit orders. Wait and find out something most traders don't understand. They keep guessing. Yeah, you got to be patient, that's for sure. Excuse you. You didn't lose. You followed your rule. That's what's important. You're right. You are right. But to be honest, like if I didn't take that short and I just said, let's just sit here and wait for longs, I would have taken this. This is fucking beautiful. I mean, we called it out. We said it. Like as soon as this candle formed, I said, yeah, that's probably gonna be the low of the session, and that's your reversal, man. Very clean. We're regretting now. I'm not regretting anything. I was in long 231, 234 speakers supposed to. Nice, bro. Long from the FED before the CIST. Nice, bro. Very nice. What's up, White Post? How do I get rich off trading? Be profitable. What's the breaker? This is the breaker, guys. So 930 PO3 reversal model. This is your breaker. It's all these candles. If you want, you can just annotate the highest candle. That's the most sensitive part of the breaker. That's insane, Ivan. I don't know about that. That's pretty insane. But nice. I didn't cast a long, but reversal, not classic. This would be a revert PO3 reversal model. Buy side. I mean, look, Koala. So at this case, it's they both formed long. Buy side, sell side, and pump as a classic AMD, right? But because we're bullish, yeah, I long Nvidia. I long Nvidia and AMD. I bought 5 contracts each, and I'll buy more maybe later. Like not today, maybe another day. Quality, it's both, right? If you're bullish, it's reversal because you're not expecting it to. Like that's it. This is the low. So anything that comes down here is protected. That's the idea. So it's you could have taken it as a classic, but it's a reversal because we're bullish, right? Bullish on the higher time frame. What's up, Toffee? Longs on gold? Um, I like those equal highs. I'll say that much. But for me to long gold, like I don't know, bro. That's Toffee, yeah. There's nothing here for me to take a long off of 4 hour. By the time I wait for a CISD, it's gonna be too late. Like I like it, but like I'd probably drop down to like I don't know, the 5 minute maybe. Maybe like you could do something like this, but it's not my. It's not even a swing trade, so I'm not even gonna go for it. I know a couple stuff, but I need a long and euro 5 minute inversion. That's all you, bro. Gold is risky to look for your SE way cleaner. What's your bias? Bullish. Bullish all day. Not switching my bias. Period. These are my objectives. This was my first objective. These were my last two. Unfortunately, I did not get an entry. But it's okay. We followed the rules, so let's lock the fuck in with the goggles. Let's see what price does to this imbalance. Yes, sir. Big up, bro. I'm enjoying every word you're stating. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Shade on Matrix, escape mod on. NQ. This is NQ. Daddy with the glasses. Locked in. How much you lost with 2 contracts? I lost $150. So that's 0.75 R for me. Hey, how did you do that every imbalance? It's just set. Once you like set it, set however you want to do it. Every time I draw one, it'll look like that now. Bro switched his voice after putting him on? Bro, what are you talking about? I just checked my dashboard. Tomorrow is day 4 of my challenge. I need 5 days to pass. There you go, bro. I'll be bearish depending on how 15-minute closes. I think it's still bullish in my opinion. I think we can reach here. I'd be pretty surprised if we didn't reach. I mean, it's still 50 points. But there's no model for here. There's no model for me here, unfortunately. There's no model. So my model would 8 minutes away. And like I said, if we take this objective, 50 points, probably done, you know. How did you get imbalance 50% in settings? Oh, so you just go to settings, style, middle line. You can put the line there. You can see 50%. I'm down 1% of my funded. Yeah, you gotta quit, I guess. Pretty much. You're pretty much done, bro. So what did you learn about the last 3 losses? The first one, I broke rules, so I gotta make sure I follow my protraction model loot. And the other 2, nothing. Good trades. I would take it again. Something similar between the last 2 losses. Something similar between the last 2 losses is I didn't align with my higher time frame drawn liquidity. Micros. My middle line is dashed. Yeah, you can do dashed. The high time frame drawn is crucial. Yeah, like you see an objective that you think can be met before your higher time frame drawn liquidity, but your highest probability trades will always align. So, you know, like kind of like not a silly mistake. Yesterday you said stick. You said to stick on your bias. What do you mean? Daddy, I was actually looking to add if we had that. That's fine. Yeah, we did on ES, Koala on ES. So you could have long this, but there's no inversion here or fair value gap. The rule I broke today is trading prop before 950. Yep, you gotta look at ES, Koala. No inversion. There's no inversion, but there's a bullish fair value gap right here. So you could have taken this. You could have taken this, but would you have hit 2R even? Not even yet. If I took this trade, it would be like this right now. Price only tapping into 1-minute FEGs. Very bullish order flow, yeah, man. Very bullish order flow. I'm not gonna chase it here, but you were looking for longs and you took shorts. I know you followed your rule, but still. No, I wasn't looking for longs. I was bearish yesterday. I was bearish. The first short I took, I broke rules because I was expecting continuation. Oh, today? Today, yeah, you're right. That's what I'm saying. Like today, if I just waited for the setup to form in my higher time frame like idea, then I would have avoided that loss and I would have got this win. So you're 100% right about that. But it doesn't mean it's a bad trade. Like I told myself I was gonna short it into this and then long it, right? That's what I told myself today. That's the first thing I said on Livestream. I said we can take the short going down and then look for the long. So I tried to take the short going down, it failed, and then by the time I got stopped out, you know, it already kind of played out very quickly. So yeah, do you trade forex at all? I do trade forex. Boom, 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 boom. Let's just see AMD. If AMD can go to 130, that's not even that. I only bought 5 contracts. If it goes lower, I'll probably buy more. How to calculate lot sizes and indices? It's not lot sizes, it's contracts. Okay, 5 minutes until 10:30. Let's clear this up. Still valid to go long if we get a protraction. Yo, Toxic, I bought AMD. I bought 5 AMD and 5 NVIDIA. And I'll probably buy more later. Like, I'm going to go slowly in, you know? I bought it right at open, thinking it would continue to pump. So, yeah. But I'm going to, like, size it down because a little bit iffy. I feel like NVIDIA has so much potential upside, like, in, like, 2-3 months. I think it does, bro. AMD too, bro. Both of them. But right now, it's still pretty bearish. Let's take profit at 21 too. No, way less. Stop doing homework. It's okay, bro. I mean, there's still time, bro. Like, it fluctuates a lot. Silver bullet always from 10 to 11. Silver bullet is 10 to 11 a.m. That's your silver bullet time window. Just sounds like it's time loss for Oh, nice, cool. Always trust the VWAP. We never inverse this. No, I'm not in any trade right now. I'm waiting for 10:30. If we can get a retracement down at 10:30, whether it's to a 5-minute gap or the sell side, maybe this 10-minute fair value gap. The 10-minute fair value gap looks pretty nice. So I would take a long from here for 10:30. In terms of the 15-minute forms in. Oh, the 15 is a lot nicer. Let's just look at the 15. So we'll look at the 15-minute fair value gap. And we can look for a long from there. 10:30 PO3 idea. Took one loss, 0.75 R. What's better, trailing my stop or taking partials? As long as you need to have a full, in my opinion, a full money management system. I think every trader should have that in their model. What you doing here? Trading Nasdaq futures. Waiting for 10:30. No other setup. Nope. I'm gonna wait for a leg down at 10:30. Hopefully, if we can touch this 50-minute SIBI. So if we come here and then do this, I will go long, targeting previous week Wednesday's high, and see if we can make up for the mistakes. As long as we follow the model. Follow the model. You can even aim for the H4 premium SIBI. Possible. But we have to go down at 10:30. I like that we engineered equal highs too. So if we can go down at 10:30, like that'd be really, really good for us. Do I think we're going to? Yeah, honestly, I think we might. Wait, isn't it also crude oil? Can you speak French? A little bit, yeah. I went to French school, so. Je peux pas. But my accent's like bad. My accent's not good. I want to see 1030 go down. Did you catch a trade? No, we didn't catch a trade. SMT indeed reverse here. I want to see lower. Lower from 1030, I'll go long. Crude comes out in like 10 seconds. Yeah. Hella Huzz? What's Huzz? Yo, so is TikTok getting banned in the US? I'm not in the US, so it doesn't affect me. But voulez-vous? What's a voulez-vous? Aren't you like Arab, bro? I am Arab. I can't speak French to save my life. Wait, why did you ask me? Spy 50 MA. I don't really trade using MAs, but good luck. I hope it works out. Would you very much for 21 multiple models? If you have one model that has a higher win rate, then yeah. All my models have pretty much the same win rates if followed correctly. So I just risk the same per trade. I'm Iraqi. Thoughts on Brampton? Pretty L, bro. I don't know what you're saying. 1030. Yeah, I gotta wait for a move lower. Gotta wait for the move lower. 1015 candle. Let's give the Bissy on ES a chance as well. 1015. All right, we're going down. I want to go back to the Syrian ruins. Damn, I don't know much about Iraq. I moved here to Canada when I was pretty young, but looks like we're getting that move down as we wanted to see. And just wait for the criteria here. You know, I've never checked the 20-minute time frame. Thoughts on the 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, we touched the 16-minute fair value gap. Wait, that's actually relevant, I feel like. Why do I actually feel like that's relevant? Like, what? We literally touched the 16-minute. Is it true Canada got the most reserve of crude oil? I have no idea, bro. Absolutely no idea. Do I really go long here off the 16-minute fair value gap? You're trolling? Bro, like, no, but that's actually a good question. I'm looking for longs. Yeah, we didn't touch the 15, but we touched the 16. Higher time frame, bro. Higher time frame. Weird. Weird stuff. Hopefully it just goes lower. We don't have to pick. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. You're not wrong. I know, right? It's weird. Weird concepts. We have SMT there, too. Hopefully it just touches the 15. We don't have to mess with it. The higher, the better. Wait, 17? We're getting there. We're getting there. Maybe while doing all the work. Okay, we didn't touch it. We touched the 10-minute. There is another one below. You're right. There's no inversion. What part of Africa are you? I'm not from Africa. The ICT on ES? A bearish one, yeah, but I'm bullish. I don't care too much about the bearish one. I guess I'd have to see a breaker here for me to go long. Or the CISD. I would prefer a little bit lower though. But if we get the displacement, we get the displacement. What is the MNQ? Micro Nasdaq. Like the tiny Nasdaq. If we get the 2 minute if we get the 2 minute CISD, I'm not gonna hesitate. I'll take the long. That's 2.2 R. That's 3.2 R. Probably just take it here though. If we get the 2 minute CISD. Oh, it's just a 1 minute CISD as well. But like I said, I would prefer a leg lower. MNQ and NQ. NQ is the Nasdaq, the mini contract, meaning that every point fluctuation is $20 per contract. The micro is $2. $2. I'm hoping we can trade into the 15 minute here. Nice. What coin is it? Ah, you're funny, bro. You're so funny, bro. You're funny. This would be a nice CISD if we get it. Obviously we have the more discount gap too, so it's possible. Yep, that's what I'm looking for too, Yoshi. I have it marked out right there. What strat do you trade? Gems. PO3. I'm like a PO3 master, basically. That's how I like to call myself, bro. PO3 master, bro. Oh, SMT here too. Let's just see a nice big bullish displacement right now, giving us the CISD. I can enter long off of the CISD. Target that. Stop loss there. It has to go up right now, though. You can destroy today or no? Definitely no. Only up. Food for lunch. Pizza or hamburger or taco or shawarma. I feel like pizza is the easiest thing to eat for lunch because like it's just a slice. Just eat it, you know? I am bullish today. I've been bullish the entire day, yeah. Yeah, low resistance liquidity, chooch. Low resistance liquidity. Where are you originally from? I'm Iraqi. We get that CID. Hold on, let me lock in here really quick. Make sure we don't miss an entry. This would be a 4 micro trade. If we get the SMT, we're going to go in with 4 micros, playing off the 1030 power of 3, and it'll be our last trade of the day. So if we get the CISD here, I'll enter long, 4 micros. It looks like it's going really quick. I don't think this low is going to get traded to. Okay, so we can officially look for the long. We're not going to get a fill there. But we'll leave it for now and see. If we get a fair value gap, we can look for the fair value gap. In terms of objectives, we have this and this. ES didn't give us a CISD, but that's okay. All right, there you go. Last trade of the day, guys. Last trade of the day. We followed the rules on this one, so that's good. Stop at the rejection block. TP will be at the buy side. So we're in with 4 micro contracts. I'm looking for the daily daily bearish fair value gap as my objective. So there's a black line. Hoping this 1030 power of 3 can play out. So this is 1030 open. I want to see us get above it, close above it, stay above it, and this low not get touched. So far, respected 50% of the imbalance, but no upside displacements. ES a little bit weaker than NASDAQ, but we do have the order block here. What's your target? My target is the daily 21447, pretty much 21447. This will be my last trade of the day as well. I like how the bodies are respecting, but I want to see this come up and form a bullish order block. Really want to see that displacement above 1030. Confirming that 1030 power of 3. No concern about average daily range? No, not on CPI. Expecting expansion. Can you all in crypto? No, I like stocks more than crypto. So I'm just watching this candle. I want to see if we close above this body high. To me, that would confirm higher prices. This is your low-hanging fruit objective. So like I think we'll at least get to here. But we'll see. You only enter in a macro? No, right now all 3 entered for longs. That's my buy signal. We all entered longs? That's funny. It's going pretty sideways right now. We do have the macro coming up in 8 minutes. 7 minutes actually. I was hoping that would give us some sort of continuation, but yeah, we followed the model. I'm not gonna. What's your win rate about gems? In backtest, like 75. Thoughts on 1-of-1 funding? Looks like they're not doing too hot right now. Yeah, it looks like we might get some distortion here. Although I still think like this low is protected in this narrative. 1-of-1 did a liquidity sweep on everyone. Trading NASDAQ futures. I want to see if ES can respect this fair value gap. It looks like we might go sideways though. 5-minute SMT. Yeah, there's an SMT at the highs. See if this candle wicks or not. Have you ever won a trade before? Yes. Yeah, but nobody was created on sell side. Be careful getting into a sell with displacement. Yeah, I mean, it looks like we might hit stop loss here, but it was a good trade. I'll stay here and watch 1050 macro. Maybe the macro will deliver higher prices. Feels like we're bearish. I mean, yeah, it's feeling like we're bearish right now. Yeah, we'll take this trade again, though. It's a good trade. SMT and a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We got the order block, CISD, 1030 PO3 in play. Start blowing at the candle. I'm not gonna blow the candle, bro. I feel like that's That's a pretty low level of the desperation. We inverted the fair value gap, so obviously not a good sign. 2 minute, 3 minute. Yeah, we touched the 3 minute rejection block. And we'll give it a chance. I'm not gonna adjust my stop or anything. Why not wait till macro? Because the model formed 10:30 PO3. Macro 50-minute FG is the best time to enter. Yeah, if I didn't already lose, I would look for a re-entry at 10:50 macro. But for me, 2 losses is done. 2 losses and I'd be done. But it looks like the macro might deliver the move. Um, the macro might deliver the move. Like order flow looks pretty bearish. Like we could have exited the trade right there at 27 ticks. But I think I'll leave my stop and just see what happens. Accept the model. This is the order block we entered off of. This is the bearish fair value gap. Looks like we might take out this low and then move higher in the macro. Even Tanya took this. Are you unfunded right now or demo? Both. Oh, funded and eval. Brenda, how do you know how to invest? This is easy short, XMT plus equal lows. Sure, bro, if that's your model. Like I said, ICT equals I can't trade. Bro, you know what? That's the first time I've ever heard that. You're out break even. Nice, bro. January's been trash. No, I don't think so. How much do we spend on fundeds every month? Not that much. I don't like risk that much. I don't lose fundeds quick. I usually have them for a little bit. Pretty much just waiting for my stop to get hit here. Damn, what did you guys see that candle? It like flipped bullish and then immediately flipped back bearish. Are you on eval? I'm on eval and funded. Long with no 10 a.m. 4-hour manipulation? Yes. We already manipulated 9:30, so we don't need to manipulate at 10. So probably gonna hit SL here. I'm not gonna look for a re-entry, but I'll outline one. Best advice for you: quit. No, thank you, brother. Edging going crazy. It's just it takes time, but it'll hit the stop loss. Let me block this guy. Thank you, Mubashir. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna tape read the rest of this session. I still think this 50-minute fair value gap or the lower one will deliver higher, but looks like we had the wrong idea, maybe. Wrong timing, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. 1050 macro. We'll see if 1050 macro delivers higher prices. Why? Because once we form the order block, it's just a way to save extra ticks. Once you form the order block, we shouldn't touch the rejection block right there. We'll most likely just take the sell side. People just hating because I didn't work. Yeah, it's okay, bro. So see, like we'll probably take out the low here. I mean, probability. Do you think no CISD affected? Yeah, probably. If ES had the CISD, then Nasdaq would have been a lot higher. I'm surprised that this didn't continue higher, but in all honesty, I think it's just waiting for the macro. But we'll see. We'll sit here and wait. Personally, in the long right now. Good luck, bro. I hope it plays out in your favor. ES tapped to 15 as well, right? Yeah. Yeah, we'll just see. They didn't put in a 4-hour wick. There's a 4-hour wick. It's small, but it's there. But yeah, it looks like we might get the 10 a.m. here. And then we can watch 1050 macro. See if the macro delivers. See if the macro delivers. Somebody ban Qualo. It's a pretty good trade, 15-minute FG, 4 more. Yeah, it was a good trade. I'll take it again. Why do people come to hopefully watch, trade, or lose? I don't know. Took out the sell side there. 1050 macro just started. You enter at the top. Yeah, took a loss. Yeah. Yeah, it was a good trade, bro. FMT, everything was good there. How's that a good trade? Explain. 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We had 1030 power of 3 aligned. Retraced. We put in an SMT. We got the CISD and the bullish fair value gap. We had low-hanging fruit objective with these relative equal highs and the higher time frame objective. Yeah, that was a good trade, yeah. What else could I ask for? Only thing that would have made that better is if it was right now inside the macro. But if the macro delivers, then we'll know we just entered early. The CISD would be right here if it occurs in the macro. Appreciate you, Yoshi. Take care, brother. Almost went full margin on that. Yeah, I never go full margin. We hit 4-hour OTE, big man. Open your eyes. You're just like so weird, bro. Like some of you on TikTok are so weird. I'm gonna be dead serious. Ignore the haters. Yeah, don't worry, bro. Can you explain CID? Changing the state of delivery. Plus 2K done. So I'm gonna go fish. Nice, bro. Enjoy your day, brother. Bro, have you helped me so much? I don't know all the concepts you know, but keeping it simple for me. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna be really honest. That was a really good setup. Unlucky it didn't play out. No, that's okay, bro. As long as you follow the rules, it's all good. It'll hit it out. That's pretty sad, Qualo. Not gonna lie, it's pretty sad. We haven't touched 4-hour OTE. I don't use 4-hour OTE in my trading model, bro. Last 3 trades you took were so good. No, they weren't that good. I mean, they weren't that good. To be honest, this one was probably the better. This one was probably the best ones out of the ones I took. Give me a smile. I'm not good at smiling, guys. I feel like I look awkward. Do I even look like I'm smiling? Traded OTE model with rejection at 1.5 level open range gap. Thank you for tape reading. Nice, bro. You're in longs now. Taking a trade. You took 2 losses today. He has lost. Bro, I don't have like. Bro, I don't smile, bro. Like not that I don't smile. Like I smile, but entries. Entries is coming this weekend, brother. We took 2 losses today. Minus 3.72, 1.75 R. 1.75 R. So we are currently down 6.75 R. And like I said, I still expect this to go higher, but I'm not gonna trade it. I already took 2 losses, and I would enter right now, to be honest. We might just have to watch this go without us, or wait for the fair value gap. I just long after taking those lows. Nice, good luck, bro. Because we didn't really get the CISD. We just wicked. The CISD would be right there, so it has to close above. It didn't close above. PP at the most recent high. Good luck, bro. Are you profitable in full time? Not profitable. Not every month, at least. And do I do this full time? Like I do this every day, but it's not my full time income. No. Would like a drop here personally, but lack of SMT is worrying. I'm just here to tape read. I think we go higher. You think this is high of day? I don't know, bro. 10-20 high of day is pretty rare. It's pretty rare. I think this goes up even during lunch, to be honest, but that's just a personal idea. Nothing too much. Relative equal highs. Still no closure for the CISD. How much you down? We are down in terms of dollar value on our funded account. We're only down $100. On the evals, we are down $750. You do not need SMT for it to be a good trade. Yeah, I don't use SMT personally. Well, I use it if it's there, but I don't need it. Not my criteria. Chill before. Chill brothers before girls. That's what I'm saying, bro. Do you use Top Step or Apex? I'm using both right now. Using both. as of right now. How's AMD doing? It's going sideways. Is there any chance it'll reverse? The video's doing good though. Nice. Which trade copy to use? Top Step X. Yeah, it's possible it can go down for sure. Uh, really? Have you noticed that, user? I haven't really noticed that, bro. I feel like usually when my stop gets hit, it usually even goes a little bit lower. Like I think I have pretty good stop loss placement. Like in this case, it would have hit the swing low. Click combo. What? Like we get the CISD here inside the macro. Oh, we actually did get it right there. Hella weak, but right now, at the state of your trading, would you call yourself a break-even trader? Right now, yeah, I've been break-even for a couple months. If anything, like December was really good for me, but November was really bad for me. September was break-even. August was really good. Like I'm pretty inconsistent. I have like really good months, really bad months, or like break-even months. You know, I need to get some consistency. I'll stay here for the next 15 minutes. I want to see how much do you get daily. Not really how it works, brother. Where do you get your chair from? Amazon. I think you should implement the 4 different types of SMT. I'm kind of happy with my model, bro. Don't think I'm looking to change my model. Why do you think that is? A lot of silly mistakes. Like, for example, today's loss could have been avoided, or not only could have been avoided, but this I told myself I was gonna long towards this objective and this objective and maybe these like final objectives from this green box. So I shorted towards the green box and I got stopped out. I should have immediately recouped and been like, okay, let's ignore that and just focus on the main idea we had. In which case, my A plus entry model was right here. Didn't take that trade. So that loss kind of affected me in that sense to not take that long, right? Because that long we would have been out by 10:08. That's one. Two, I keep breaking rules by accident, like not purposefully. It's not like I'm not over risking or over trading, but I still break rules. Like yesterday, we took a loss. I simply broke one of my model rules just by accident. You know, got caught up in the 1 minute chart. I saw the retracement. I thought we were going to continue, but not taking a real like didn't realize that I was breaking a rule. A lot of silly mistakes like that. You know, just consistency. Like you gotta follow your model consistently every single day for a certain number of trades, and if you have a good model, it'll play out. You know, it'll play out. You think it's your timing? No, I don't think it's my timing. This trade, like I just thought it was gonna continue higher, so I just had the wrong drawn liquidity. I broke my number one rule today, over trading. What is the platform? I cannot identify. This is TradingView. Like this one, I think we just had the wrong, like, you know, we expected to continue. My biggest payout, only 2,000. Do you think it's your timing? No, I don't think it's my timing. Are you watching the new ICT videos? Yeah, I watched them just more for fun, though. That's the drop I wanted. Nice, bro. You called it. Whether you're trading a foreign reversion, any chance of reverse a bit. See where we can go. 15-minute bullish here. I took shorts at the 950 macro after buy side got took. Where will you go after TikTok is banned? I'm in Canada, so TikTok will not be getting banned for me. But I'm also live on YouTube every single day. So if you want to come to YouTube, come through. 15-minute imbalance here. We can tape read a potential inversion. Shorts with equal lows. I told you, you know what? You should go live, bro. What's a good TP for shorts? If I had to, I would have TP'd at this 15-minute imbalance. Because in my opinion, like we're not coming down to this low. That's my personal opinion. This 15-minute imbalance, I think that's a good TP. You're looking for longs? I'm going to tape read some longs. I already took 2 losses. I don't take more than 2 trades a day. So, unfortunately, if we tape read it and it plays out, we got to sit out. Got to sit out. Now I'll make sure I can survive in the long run, right? So if we get the inversion here, that would meet my my criteria for a long. Even that's 2R. Wow, it's really good. So I'll tape read this. Have to close above. Just enter out that 15-minute FEG. Nice, bro. Hopefully it plays out. What's your prediction on gold? I'm bullish. Higher time frame. I think we can reach all-time highs again. What is that candle, bro? So your 2R. I mean, let's just say it was something like this. So like hypothetically, it would look like this. Oh shit. Hypothetically, it would look like this. I'm holding a few runners on gold, 10 more points down. That candle, that Diddy candle just fucked me. The long one or short one? I did not enter this trade, guys. I didn't enter this trade. Such a weird PA. And that was a crazy candle for it to just get the long one. Or are you in shorts? You added another con for longs? If that candle flips bullish, I ain't gonna say anything. We can just watch. We can just watch this. Do you think Hot and Lot and are both set? Hive day, yeah, maybe Hive day. Maybe PM session can run it though. I think higher, to be honest. Adding another con for a long is crazy. No, I mean maybe he's following his rules. I was going break even, but the candle was so fast it just took you out. That's okay, bro. It happens. It was a really fast candle. I'm done for that day. Thank us for showing how to be patient. Appreciate you, bro. I'm glad you took something beneficial out of this live stream. IFG setup. Yeah. Inversion. 15-minute bullish fair value gap inside the macro. This is your protraction model for anyone who's following my model. And if I were to take this trade, like I said, I would take it like this. But I didn't take it because I already took 2 losses. I took 2 losses. I don't want to take a third trade because if I lose, it's gonna mess me up mentally. You think it will go down? No, I think it'll go up. We set previous week highs. We don't know if it's a sweep yet, but yeah, we did take out previous week's high. We definitely engaged that liquidity. We need to talk. Shit was close as fuck right now. Yeah, Guala, we'll talk right after this. If you get an extra loss, you'll be in a loop. Exactly, bro. That's why I stopped myself at 2 trades, you know? Yeah, 2 trades. Not going to take any more. But I'll tape read it and I'll sit here and we can see, does it play out? Does it play out? Does it, if you're losing money can make you miss the base opportunity, but if your rules are 2 lost to max, then yeah, man, it is what it is. You're right. I know. I can handle 2 losses. I can lose like $200 on each trade in one day, and I can be fine. I can walk away and go enjoy my day after this. It doesn't affect me mentally. But if I take one more and I lose, I don't know. I'm probably going to be on the side feeling like I need to make it back, you know? Like imagine you lost $10, you know? If you lost $10, would you really feel like, oh, I got to make it back? Nah, man, fuck it. It's $10, bro. You know? But if you lost $600, shit, like you feel like you got to make it back. All you need is one good win. Yeah, you're right. All I need is one good win. But I'm more focused on just making sure I can follow my rules. Give myself the benefit of the doubt that if I can follow my model for 20 trades in a row, it'll work out. True, bro. I'm writing that down. Thank you. For real, bro. It's true. It's true. I only know that because I've been there. You hit up the casino. That's where winners are made. I've never won on online casinos, at least. Top Step ever go sale? No, pretty much no. Like the only time I saw them was their like 1 year anniversary, or like they had an anniversary or some shit. Mike is sounding much better today. Appreciate you, but yeah, I think I found something to make it a little bit better. So hopefully that continues to work. What broker do you recommend me to be beginner NQCFD trader? Prop firm or broker? Broker, Owanda, prop firm, funded by traders. That's what I use. So they're my favorite personally. I also have a discount code, so it's the best pricing. Rip, bro, you making me feel better about my 100 loss. Damn. Top Step. For futures, Top Step. Yeah, I'd recommend Top Step for futures. I hate this PA. It's 11:05. What leverage does FPT use? No idea. But you can ask Sam in my Discord. He's the owner and he knows everything. I think it's 1 to 50, maybe 130. Yeah. No idea, bro. No idea. It's really not that bad. Yeah, in my opinion, the PA is not that bad. But I mean, everyone's different, right? For some people, maybe they don't like this. Some people, they like when price goes up and down in a large range. They can play both sides. Shorts, I wouldn't look for shorts. Wouldn't look for shorts. Me personally, I wouldn't. But you can. I'm tape reading this long right now because I took 2 losses today. So I want to see if this would play out. I'd probably trail my stop loss to right here. Right? We should not come back into this inefficiency low. So we can look at that. See if this plays out. I'd probably break even if we take out these highs. Lost my 8 evals. Yeah. Been there, brother. Been there. Would I break even this trade? Hypothetically at the buy side. You're in this long? Oh, good luck, Toffee. I hope it plays out, bro. Protraction model long. So same idea as our last long. You do 1 to 2. 1 to 2 minimum. I won't take a trade if it's 1 to 1. I'd want to see us get through this conversion. So I want to watch the candlesticks here. See if we can get through this inversion. Did you just get hit break even right when you type that, Toffee? It's not a bad idea to break even, especially because we've already expanded so much. Like, we don't need to go any higher. We really don't need to. How to control 2 accounts? Copy trade them. I guess I'll count my second month. Yeah, we don't need to go any higher, but if it does, so if you're gonna trade in that, you got to make sure you accommodate your position. Break even, risk less. Partial early, aim for less, whatever you may do. PM might be good. Maybe. I'm in there as well. First trade of the week. I think 1 hour I'm going break even. Yeah, we'll see. Wasn't there CPI today? Why trade? Why not, bro? Hey, when there's big news candles, I feel like it messes the whole market up. Yeah, you kind of need to make an adjustment to that. I feel like it is hard. Price making lower since liquidity. Trading is so hard, bro. Trading is very hard, bro. In Top Step, can I set it up? Yeah, Top Step X, Wang Jerry. And pretty choppy after first POI. Exactly. Yo, move here. I like how what you think, bro. That's exactly what it was. We called out previous week Friday's high, and see this trade would have hit SL. So a good thing we didn't take it. I mean, I wouldn't take it anyways. Yeah, macro is S. You know, that's why narrative is the most important part. Gatie, how are you not greedy? Help? Because I've hit rock bottom before, brother. I've lost so much. And I just got tired of it, man. I got tired of it. I also feel like I built discipline. I built discipline in, like, just my grind. When you grind so much... Insta, you know what I want you to do? I want you to send that to Koala and ask him for his opinion. Not gonna lie, Gatie, that trade you took with the breaker and SMT had no narrative. Which one? The long from 10:30? This one? How much evals did you lost before your first funded? I think like 6, 7. CISD and order block, it's the same thing. CISD forms the order block. The identification is a little bit different. This one, there was 100% narrative here. The narrative is the 10:30 power of 3 candle, in my opinion, was likely to continue higher towards the higher time frame objectives, which I think we'll probably reach eventually, but it looks like we're not going to get it today. 10:30 came down into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and then we got a breaker and a CISD. So 10:30 power of 3 aligning with the higher time frame drawn liquidity. We've already retraced into a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We formed a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, I know, different confirmations. Yeah, that's okay, bro. It is a very deep discount. I mean, premium. Mm, mm, mm. Portion trades counts as being greedy. Yeah, then no forced trades. Appreciate you, Harris. Appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, in hindsight, maybe I'll look to start implementing a rule where, like, because I feel like this happens quite a bit. My first drawn liquidity is hit, and then I look for, like, oh, I think it can go higher, which isn't necessarily a breaking a rule. Like, I had a drawn liquidity higher. I had a drawn liquidity higher, but it's not as good as this one, right? It's just not a, it's not as clean. Like, we don't need to get here, but yeah. See you tomorrow, brother. See you tomorrow. You don't think that's going lower? I think it's either gonna go sideways or just slowly grind lower. TP hit on you. Nice, bro. Price is really slow today. You think this is slow? It's pretty good price action. Price is really slow. That's okay, bro. You're an honest trader. Yeah, man. I'm just here to show my journey. I'm not here to sell nothing. Not here to convince anyone of anything. We have about 10 good PA days a year. That's fine. Yeah, I didn't catch the longs. I tried, but I got stopped out. Tried to get the continuation. Um, my membership is not free, but everything I post on YouTube is free. All my books are free. All my models are free. My Discord is free, and I live stream every day for free. I took quick scalps 1-1, and I'm out. Nice, 1-1. That's fine, bro. That's your model. I'm proud of you for following it, bro. I hope you can keep it up. I hope you can keep it up. I'm waiting till the 1 minute extreme OB 21244.25 gets hit and reacted off of. Nice, bro. Do, do, do. Let me send this picture to someone. Nice. Uh, Impossible in lunch. Yeah, I think it's possible too. Is it advisable to follow the direction of CPI? If it's really, really one directional, then you can expect it to just continue. Yeah. You'll see that most of the time. If it's really like this. It wicked my TP2. Previous month open? That's okay. That's unlucky, bro. Well, I think that's going to be it for me today, guys. So this is going straight to the journal. Looks like we're entering a little bit of a loss streak. It's all good. I've been on a loss streak before. In fact, I've been on a loss streak multiple times. That's funny. So hopefully we can bounce back. We've been managing our risk pretty well, so we're still only like one win, 1 or 2 wins, depending on the trade. So I'll show you the trades. I'll quickly show the trades. Oops, here. So I tried to short this. I risked 200 per trade. I tried to short this, so I thought we could get into this range. So my idea was short it to here and then long it afterwards because I was bullish. And then after I got stopped out the shorts, I started looking for continuation longs because I missed my reversal model here. So I was looking for a continuation. I took this continuation. We had like a 15-minute bullish fair value gap like this. So I took a long right here off the order block and the breaker block and this fair value gap. Pretty much immediately got stopped out. I think I'm okay, bro. I'm really happy with my model, you know? Don't worry, I was one trade off a payout and blew my fund. Did this happen yesterday? Yeah, it happened, bro. It happens. Good news, though. We're in the video longs, and it's looking pretty good. I think we got in around 133. Or no, yeah, 133. So it's not bad. AMD, sideways. Probably will just hold those. Hold those for a while. Oh. How'd you do today? Another 2 losses. Your model is so good, but I know those concepts will make it A plus 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 plus. I've never backtested those concepts, and I can't take it for someone else. Like, I'm not just gonna take someone else's word for it. I'm very picky. Like, I'd have to backtest it myself. Are you gonna trade PM? Nah, I'm not gonna be trading PM. The only time I'll trade PM is FOMC. Found how much you risk per trade. I don't know how much you risk. I've been trading since September 24. Nice, bro. I backtested since February of last year. What'd you find, brother? I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. I'm not saying it's BS or anything. I am watching ICT 2025. I'm not going to change anything in my model, but I'm watching it just for fun. Why not? Price action after reaching the higher time frame objective, yeah, it just went sideways. Once we reached that daily buy side, that was it. Days concepts. Like once we hit the daily objective, 10:03, it hit. Yeah, that was pretty much it. We went sideways after. We went sideways after that. Already a long range. So you know what? Someone talked about average daily range, so we could have just looked at that. Anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna head out, boys. I will be live tomorrow. Hopefully we can come back from this little loss streak. How many losses is that? 4? 4? 5? 4. 4 loss streak. 4 loss streak. So we're down 3.75 R. Hopefully we can come back. As long as we follow the rules long term, I think everything will be okay. So I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live tomorrow, exact same time. Peace out, brothers. I'll keep you guys posted on AMD in the video as well. Or you can, if you're curious, you can just look. I only bought 5 contracts of each, or like 5 shares of NVIDIA, 5 shares of AMD. I'll probably buy more if it goes lower. Not today though, later in the week probably. Later in the week. I'm probably gonna hold this for a couple months, so start scaling in my stock positions. All right, peace out, brothers. See you guys tomorrow. You up on USD CAD? Thanks for the mod. Thank you, bro. I need you. Thank you, bro. You bro up on. I didn't take a trade on forex. I'm not in any forex positions. I don't see how I'm gonna enter one. I don't see how I'm gonna enter one. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna enter one. Might have to wait. Might have to wait. All right, take care, brothers. Peace.